in the latest stars, the frozen smiles to chase love away. Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's gonna rain today. Tin can at my feet, I think I'll kick it down the street. That's the way to treat a friend. Bright before me, the signs implore me, help the needy and show them the way. Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's gonna rain today. Lonely, so lonely. Tin can at my feet, I think I'll kick it down the street. That's the way to treat a friend. Right before me, the signs implore me, help the needy and show them the way. Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's gonna rain today. When you get caught in the rain with nowhere to run, when you're distraught and in pain without anyone, when you keep crying out to be saved, but nobody comes, and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone, it's okay. What you say is, I can make it through the rain, I can stand up once again on my own, and I know that I'm strong You can spend your whole life building something from nothing. One storm can come and blow it all away. Build it anyway. You can chase a dream that seems so out of reach, and you know it might not ever come your way. Dream it anyway. God is great, but sometimes life ain't good. And when I pray, it doesn't always turn out like I think it should. But I do it anyway. I do it anyway. This world's gone crazy, and it's hard to believe that tomorrow will be better than today. Believe it anyway. You can love someone with all your heart for all the right reasons, and in a moment they can choose to walk away. Love them anyway. God is great, but sometimes life ain't good. When I pray, it doesn't always turn out like I think it should. But I do it anyway. Yeah, I do it anyway. You can pour your soul out singing a song you believe in, that tomorrow they'll forget you ever sang. Sing it